Hello, my butterfly beauties, and welcome if you are new. My name is Charlen, and on this channel, we discuss everything BFL, beauty, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if you like my style, why don't you subscribe and you stay a while. In today's video, we are doing my top 10 from Bath & Body Works. That is my perfumey type scents. So if you want to see what my thoughts are on my top 10 perfumey type scents from Bath & Body Works that is good for this fall to winter season, then just stay tuned. All right, so I got everything in front of me here, and we're just going to go through them. I got some lighter options that are your lighter bubbly type scents, and then we get some a little deeper. So the first one I have here is one that they actually are bringing back this year, and that is Pure Wonder. So Pure Wonder is the one that has that iced rosé. It has star jasmine, and it has warm white amber. And the iced rosé is where it's giving that lighter bubbly scent, and it has a warmth about it because of the amber, and it has jasmine in it. So this is your floral with a little light airy bubbliness about it, but at the same time some warmth. So this is Pure Wonder. I really enjoy this scent. The next one I have here is Chasing Fireflies. It's a nice perfume. He says this been compared to all kind of perfumes, but it has golden pear, jasmine blooms, and illuminating woods. And you know me and my jasmine. You're going to see jasmine heavily in this list. The pear in here, I don't smell too much of. It's very light. What I mostly get in this is the woods and is the jasmine blooms. This smells like a perfume. It seems like it could be a flanker to the YSL Leave family. But it is gorgeous. I love this scent. The woods help ground it. The blossoms is very, that jasmine note is very prominent in here. And this is a beautiful scent. It has a slight sweetness about it, but this is more of a perfumey scent. That's what you're definitely getting with Chasing Fireflies. The other one I have here is Fall in Bloom. And this is your like Burberry Her option that gives you that juicy plum, wild blooms, and velvet moss. This is your perfect sweet everyday girly scent. It is gorgeous for right now. That plum in here is nice and sweet. It has an airiness about it. And that moss in here just helped to ground it just a little bit, but not too much. It still keeps it very feminine, very light, very gorgeous. So that is your Fall in Bloom. And the other one I have here that I pulled was In the Stars. Now, In the Stars is the one that has that starflower, sandalwood musk, sugared tangelo, white argarwood, and radiant amber. So, of course, this is gorgeous. This is beautiful by itself, but it's good with layering as well. It has that slight muskiness about it, but you're mostly picking up on the argarwood, which is oud, and the amber in here. It's very nice, creamy, musky, smooth. It's very good. So that's In the Stars. The next one I'm going to mention is Dream Bright. Dream Bright is gorgeous. It has sapphire berries, night blooming orchid, and crystallized vanilla. This was one of the bringbacks this year. And the berry note in here is so good. It smells delicious. And that orchid in here is just a nice, sweet floral scent. And then it has that vanilla just to add to the sweetness. So this is gorgeous. This is a beautiful, feminine, perfumey type scent that is very sweet and very heavy on the fruit. So it's very fruit heavy on here with slight florals. So that is Dream Bright. The other one that made the list is Vanilla Ease, your Burberry Goddess friend. This is Lavender Blossoms, Dreamy Vanilla, and Soft Cedarwood. If you love Burberry Goddess, you would love this. That's perfect for this time of year. It has that vanilla, has that lavender, has a slight wooziness about it to help ground it, to keep it from being too sweet, but enough sweetness there. This is heavy on the lavender, so it's very calming too. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous scent. So that is Vanilla Ease. The other one I specifically love around this time of year is part of that same vanilla line, and that's Vanilla Romance. And it's because of the cardamom note in here. This one has the fresh cardamom, Vanilla Absolute, and Captivating Woods. This I fell in love with last year. The vanilla here with that kick and then a slight wooziness about it. This is so good. I love this. And the body butter in this, oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. If you just want your vanilla woozy, that's what this one is. Gorgeous. And the one that I fell in love with this year, that is your perfumey type scent, is Touch of Gold. Touch of Gold has the bright blackberries in it, golden orange blossom, and decadent tonka. This is heavy on the orange blossom, but it's also heavy on the blackberries and the tonka. So they all balance very well, and this is gorgeous. And this candle that's sitting here, I don't have this candle sitting here for like a month now. It still fills the room. This thing smells so good. This candle might smell even better than this body mist. But this body mist is gorgeous. I love it. Beautiful perfumey scent for this time of year. The other one I pulled was another one that they brought back for this year, and that was the Forever Red Vanilla Rum. My honorable mention for this video would be the original Forever Red, because it has that bright pomegranate note in it. But this particular one has jasmine petals, decadent vanilla, and cashmere woods. So slight sweet floral with some wooziness about it. And that's exactly what it's giving you. It's beautiful. I enjoy this scent. Like I said, I love me some jasmine. So you add some sweetness with it. And if you want to ground it with some moss, or if you want to ground it with some woods, whatever you want to put with it, this is nice. And last but not least on the list is the Into the Night. This here is a gorgeous raspberry, patchouli, musky, ambery, deep, dark scent. This has raspberry noir, amber crystals, velvety rose petals, creamy patchouli, mocha musk. This is so beautiful. I love this scent. This is beautiful all by itself for this time, perfect for this time of year or going out in the evening. This is a beautiful, beautiful scent. So that is my top 10 that I pulled from my collection that I feel that I wanted to mention that I will pull for perfumey type scents for the fall winter time from Bath & Body Works. Tell me what you think of my picks below down in the comments. Do you have any of these in your collection? If you do, what are your thoughts on them? How have you been wearing them this fall and winter season? And are you going to be pulling them out and layering them with some other things? I would like to know down below. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. Like I said, stay a while, enjoy the fam, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.